How often should you post on YouTube? This is one of the common questions creator asks, and honestly, I used to ask the same questions too. Some people say you should post every single day, others will say post once a week. So who is right, right? The truth is, YouTube does not reward creators simply because they upload every day. What YouTube actually rewards is consistency and viewer satisfaction, which means you have to always stay on the YouTube platform, and YouTube has to also see that your viewers are always satisfied when they watch your videos. And in order for YouTube to know that your viewers are always satisfied when they watch your videos, is your average view duration, how long your viewers actually sit on your videos. If, for example, your video is about 8 minutes long video, do they sit on it more than 3 minutes, right? This is something that YouTube is actually looking out for. So think about it this way: if you upload video every single day for 2 weeks and then disappear for 2 whole months because you are exhausted, you have created an inconsistent pattern, honestly. But if you upload every Tuesday and Friday for 6 months, your audience knows when to expect your content, and YouTube starts seeing you as a consistent creator. And for me, my answer will be upload often enough to stay consistent without sacrificing quality, which means that you need to stay consistent on the YouTube platform, and consistency should fit into what you can continually do without you sacrificing quality. Not because you just want to post videos on the YouTube space, but because it is okay with you, right? You can conveniently post quality videos on your timings, and that is why I don't always choose timings for people, but I can always recommend timings, right? Because of course your frequency on YouTube also plays another part when it comes to growing here on the YouTube space, which is something I would do in another video, right? Consistency versus frequency, which is actually okay for most YouTubers or for small YouTubers trying to grow their YouTube channel. So for most small creators, I recommend posting 1 or 2 quality videos every single week. Like, this is the list of it, right? If you can do once a week according to your schedules, according to what is convenient for you, because maybe YouTube is not the only thing going on in your life, but then you can go ahead and do whatever is convenient for you. 1 or 2 videos per week, quality videos rather, per week, it's okay. Now focus on making videos that solves problem, answer questions, or entertain your audience instead of rushing to upload content just for the sake of uploading videos or content. That is exactly what I'm trying to explain, right? Don't just upload videos because you want to upload them. Make sure they are quality videos that is actually giving our value, right, to your audience. It's actually solving a problem. If you are in the entertainment niche, make sure you are entertaining your audience, right? If you are in the how-to niche, make sure you are actually delivering value, because this is what keeps your audience to come back for you. This is what keeps them watching your videos for a long time. This is what keeps them always remembering that, okay, so and so day you are going to upload and I must not miss it, right? So if you keep either entertaining your audience depending on your niche, adding value to their life depending on your niche, and putting up quality content on a consistent basis depending on your niche, you are definitely good to go. Okay, you guys. So also, don't compare your upload schedules with full-time YouTuber. Like, some people are full-time YouTubers. This is what they do for a living. This is their 9 to 5. Like, okay. So if you are a 9 to 5er on one side and YouTube is just a hustle for you, or is just a side thing for you, don't compare, please, because for me, person like me, I wake up with YouTube, sleep with YouTube, eat with YouTube, and do everything I want to do with YouTube. So I'm currently a full-time YouTuber, and I cannot allow anyone to compare themselves with me, because you are going to fail. Especially as a small creator, you are going to fail. Especially a small creator that has, or that is not a full-time YouTuber. For example, you have your business on the side and you also do YouTube, or you have your job on the side and you also do YouTube. So you cannot compare your journey or your consistency with someone else's schedule of consistency, or a full-time YouTuber schedule of consistency, because a full-time YouTuber is always here. So do what works for you. If once a week is what works for you and you can stay consistent on it, please do. If it is 2 times a week, also do should, but don't do every single day because one full-time YouTuber is telling you to do every single day. That is because some full-time YouTubers have teams helping them with editing, thumbnail, scripting. So if you are doing everything alone, creating your own videos, your thumbnail, your editing and everything, create a schedule that works for your life. Honestly, that is just the best thing to do, right? A good trick that you should also apply is to batch create your content. As a small YouTuber or somebody that is doing YouTube on the side, make sure you are batch creating your content and scheduling them ahead of time. For example, you can batch create content that can take you through the month of July or through the month of August, especially for somebody that has other things going on in their life, like their job or their businesses and other things. So when you batch create your content and edit them, schedule them before time, you don't have the stress of trying to stay consistent on the YouTube space because you are already consistent. Imagine you already having videos that are going to go live on the YouTube space in 3 weeks time. Like from now to 3 weeks is covered. You don't have to be afraid that to get to a point where you will not be able to stay consistent. Like inconsistency will have nothing to hold on you. Okay, so make sure that you try to batch create your content, pick a day or two, record 2 or 3 videos in a sitting, edit them ahead of time and schedule them. That way, even on busy weeks, your audience still gets consistent upload. At the end of the day, consistency beats intensity, whether you like it or not, right? It's better to upload one great video every week for a year than upload every day for 1 month and then you quit. Okay, I know I have made a lot of sense in this video, and if you have actually learned a thing or two in this video, kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because on here I teach you every single thing that is going to help you to grow your YouTube channel, whether you are a small YouTuber or an existing YouTuber, or you are looking to start your own YouTube channel. All from my experience of actually running 5 YouTube channels, 4 of them monetized since the year 2021. So I am going to be teaching you every single thing that I have done from my own experience on this channel. So you want to go ahead and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much. If you have your questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.